So we start off today's video with this amazing bob hair transformation from Philip Wolf. So he does a nice blunt cut for the cutting. Wow. I love this shape, and then he goes in and adds some color. Look at the color on this. This is unreal. So not only is the shape amazing, but the color of this like periwinkle and beautiful blonde is just absolutely astonishing. Beautifully done. Such a trendy hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So we move into our next one. So these stylists definitely like to have fun with their clients. Looks like she's playing with some color here. Wow, look at that. Oh, that is amazing. That is like artwork on the hair. Beautifully done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we see someone with a grown out bob. Looks like she's going to be getting some color. Wow, so she went gray and got more of like a mini bob haircut with this cut refresh. Beautifully done. And then we see someone, it looks like she's also in for a cut refresh with this pixie style. So she's going to be getting some color with this as well. Trimming of the hair. Oh, very nice. The color, they did like a nice little chocolate brown mixture. Looks perfect with the black. And then we see someone rocking out a pop of color. So it looks like she's in for a color refresh as well. And bam, beautiful curly strands and a bold pop of red. Gorgeous. So many fun options and styles that you can wear this season. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders, about mid-length or so. And she decides to switch things up to some curly strands. Looks like she did get a bit of a shaggy cut. And then we see someone doing a big chop. Oh, so she's cutting off all the color. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I was about to say, I've never seen a style before where they keep bangs in the front and then just have the rest shaven. All of that hair on the ground. And she looks beautiful rocking her shaven trend. Very nice. Beautiful lob haircuts. The curls put in. Nice, fresh, chic haircuts. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.